Hello friends, welcome to Technobush. In this video, we will see rectangle, slot, polygon, fillet and chamfer. Let's start. This is a rectangle. Click on drop down menu. You can see 2-point rectangle, 3-point rectangle, 2-point center rectangle, 3-point center rectangle, center to center slot, overall slot, center point slot, 3-point arc, center point arc and polygon. Let's start with 2-point rectangle. It's required only 2 points, point 1 and point 2. You can give dimension. Or you can directly give dimension while drawing it. Just enter required dimension 100, then press tab and give other dimension 200. Select it and press delete to delete it. Other one is 3-point. It's required 3 points, point 1, point 2 and point 3. Point 1, point 2, point 3. Third one is 2-point center. Center point and required dimension. Three-point center. It's required 1 center point and 2 other points. Center, then second, third one. Then center to center slot. It's required 2 center points, center point 1, center point 2 and it's done. Let's give it dimension. Suppose it's 25 and the center point is 100. Second one is overall slot. Point 1, point 2 and point 3. Then center point slot. You start with center point, then second point center to center distance and its radius. You can give dimension to while drawing it. Center point, then center to center dimension is 100, then its radius 50. Okay, sorry, its diameter 50. If you want slot in a arc, you can also draw. This is a 3-point arc. Like 3-point slot, it's required 3 points, but not in straight, but it's arc. Point 1, point 2 and point 3 and its radius. Similar, center point arc start with center point, point 1, 0.2, 0.3, then arc its radius. Okay, delete these unnecessary things. For selecting these entities, just use left mouse key, click, then hold it, then drag. Again click, delete. Dimension 100. Okay, let's see fillet and chamfer. Fillet, suppose we need 5 mm, then select lines. Okay, if you select continuously, it will give similar fillet. If you want to give dimension to each fillet, deactivate this, change 10, then select lines. You can see this is a 10, 10, 5 and 5. I will show you once more. So, center point rectangle, let's give dimension. Suppose this is 250, this is 350, then fillet 10. Suppose you want here 20, then 20, then select. If you want 30, type 30, and okay. If you also want this 30, then no need to click OK, then just select it. Okay, you can see these both are 30, then 10 and 20. To undo the step, just press this arrow or Ctrl Z. You can also see history by clicking this arrow. Let's see chamfer. There are 3 types of chamfer. One is equal distance, then distance 1, distance 2, and distance and angle. Let's see first one. Suppose it's 10 mm, then click 2 lines and it's 10 mm. Another is distance 1 and distance 2. Give this is 25, first one and second one. You can see this is for line 1, which you choose while giving the chamfer. In first, this is for distance angle. Suppose you need 25 and then angle 60. Line 1, line 2. If you want to give dimension to chamfer, activate it or just click on it, it will be deactivated. No dimension will be given. You can see. If you want to give dimension, then activate it by clicking on it, then give chamfer. Okay, you can see. Now let's see polygon. Click on drop down menu and polygon. This is required size. If you want hexagon, enter 6. If you want pentagon, enter 5. Okay, suppose we need octagon, enter 8. Then center point, and just draw it. Done. This is for inscribed circle type, and this is circumscribed circle. Center point. Have you seen difference? Okay, I will show you. Just delete it. Okay, let's draw two circles. Circle 1 and circle 2. Polygon. This is inscribed circle. Center point, and you can see it's showing point. And the circumscribed circle, its side center point of side. This is circumscribed circle. Thank you for watching my video. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.